There was a major earthquake in Haiti, 10 miles from Port-au-Prince. And what's happening in the Caribbean is a relatively small plate, but it's moving around relative to North and South America as well as the Atlantic. And in this particular part of the Caribbean, the northern boundary of the Caribbean plate is moving horizontally with respect to the North American plate, and so we get what's called strike-slip motion. It's the same sort of motion you see on the San Andreas Fault, where two sides of the fault are just slipping past each other horizontally. It's a very shallow earthquake, and that very shallow depth coupled with the size of the earthquake meant that there was very strong ground shaking in the vicinity of the fault. And unfortunately, that area is very densely populated, so a large number of people were exposed to very strong ground shaking. Given the state of the buildings in that area, we would expect a large number of casualties, a large amount of damage to buildings. Many buildings will probably be totally destroyed. Many more will have a lot of damage, and we expect that there will be a large number of casualties. The exact number I can't really speculate. As usual, with an earthquake of this size, there's a strong aftershock sequence. So far, the largest aftershock has been a 5.9. We expect aftershocks to go on for weeks, if not months. However, over the next several days, they should be decreasing in both size and frequency pretty rapidly. But over the next couple of days, I expect that aftershocks will be of concern to the search and rescue teams.